Looking at the project today, I do have my golf cart. We're gonna try to remove some paint from the driveway. What we're gonna do is connect the hose to the pressure washer, and I'm gonna stretch hose back to this side. Maybe work a little bit on that black, any kind of black on the lower, we're gonna hit with a little bit of bleach and a little bit of pressure. Come back here, same thing, we're gonna hit that. Okay, so that's as far as we're gonna go with this side because of the fence, and we wanna stay away from the garden. So we're just gonna stretch 50 feet of hose or so just to hit that. And then coming around to the other side, we will likely hit this porch, you know, clean the concrete down. Same here. Now this side is the worst side. This is where they have black algae around the fence, and they said they will retreat that, so I don't have to worry about that. So I will just spray it down. Again, black algae here, work on this. And then coming through here, same thing on the lower. Working on this, getting the algae off of this. And then we're back to the start. So again, I'll just hit a little bit there, and a little bit there. I think I'll use that as the test. So on each of the rocks, I'll likely just clean them off. Again, here. Just rinse off underneath there. Definitely need to clean that. Patio and the pavers. Okay, the job is complete. I do believe we did pretty well on the graffiti, the paint marks. I put a little bit more, and I'm just letting that sit for a minute. The driveway is clean. As you come to the side, the black stains are gone, which is great. Down here too. Come to the back patio, I was able to clean off these pavers and the concrete deck, plus the wood. So we did the wood surrounding the hot tub and the other pavers.